Umpendulo uthi lalela angitsheli lokho. Yabona uma wami uzohamba uyomgubha uyomfuna uze umthole because le oyishoyo manje does not exist, does not work futhi angiyamukeli because kahle kahle le story sakho kahle kahle wena doesn't make sense. So now kushuthi wena uzohamba uyomfuna uze umthole. Now Pendulo is losing his temper left, right and center. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani abusheni molweni minjani yiphukile hingongwina. So namuhla kana ngona hina wa Smoke and Mirrors ikuma kurusula sithamisekangi kahle looking at the fact that uMartha went into a physical disagreement. Balwile ngishabu kuyibiza ngesilungu balwile, and then nalomlisa lo bekathi afuna ukuthumba umntana ahambe naye eDubai. And I was just glad ukuthi uKayise walked in at a time where bekushubile. Now she can now make a decision for herself ukuthi kahle kahle lo mlisa is not a good person. Even though she tried and go, uMartha went to try and get a protection order, that never worked. On the other hand, Mr. Emeya is fighting tooth and nail ukuthi afike azofuna inkampani yeDepo. And then uSiza says yazini, I just need to let you know ukuthi kahle kahle iDepo yami and andishare nomuntu. Now it raises eyebrows. They have to go back and check the pictures with no man. Something does not add up. Usiza is so concerned about the Depo, but he's supposed to be grieving. On the other hand, Konumlisa, a friend, an old friend who happens to visit Usiza and ziva ncam because this friend is the same friend that is taking care of Uthandiswa kuzoshuba we guys.